Welcome to OBDSync. In this episode, we're going through how to program a replacement IOB radio for a Holden RG Colorado. So first off, click on the vehicle button and then go to the radio tile. This will then begin loading in the available options for this module, or will show the licensing screen if you haven't licensed already. Once it's loaded in, we'll see that we have the flashing tab and the learn functions tab along the top. We're going to go to learn functions first, and we're going to do the VIN security link. This is going to get rid of that locked warning on the screen. It only takes a few seconds for it to complete. The radio will then clear away the no VIN message after a few more seconds. And that's it. That's all ready to now start using the radio. Before we do anything more, we want to go to the flashing tab, and we want to make sure our battery maintainer is fitted. And finally, we want to click the right button. This is going to ensure the correct calibrations are programmed to this radio to suit that car, so all the audio configuration and setup is correct. Once you click right, it will begin downloading those required files and then begin the flashing sequence. This flashing process does take roughly 30 to 40 seconds. It's not too long, but still worthwhile having the battery maintainer fitted during this time. Once it starts, we'll see the screen does go black, so nothing to worry about there. That is completely normal. Once it actually completes the flashing procedure, we'll see that it will reboot back up. We'll see the startup logo, and then the radio will be fully operational from there onwards. So we have the finalization flash routine doing its final little steps there, and we'll have a little pop-up indicating that it's successful once completed. There we go, flash completed. So we can go press OK. We'll see the boot up animation, and that's all done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.